Hi there! So today I just got back from my mom's house. I went out to visit and I went out to get my roasting pan that I left over there, I don't know, maybe like a year ago. And we are having Thanksgiving next week at our house and I'm making the turkey, so I gotta have my roasting pan for that. Anyway, when I got home, I got an email that I have a package, and so we're gonna go check out what it is. This package, well, yes, it is. I'm pretty sure I've never got it before, but so this is a package for me for my arborvitaes. I'm thinking that's what it is. We'll see. I actually didn't read the email fully. I just said your package has been delivered. So this is the only thing I remember getting. But it is hopefully my bird netting. And I'm going to attempt to put this all around my arborvitaes so that the deer don't have a smorgasbord with them this year. So we will get this opened up and see what we got. But I'm going to take it inside because it is freezing out here today on a Saturday in Michigan. So let's go inside and open this little baby up. Alrighty, we are inside where it's nice and warm. And let me turn the other light on. Is that better? It's a little better. So we are inside now. I'm gonna open up this package. Like I said, I'm hoping this is my bird netting. I got it on Amazon. It was a roll of 7.5 by 100 feet. It's pretty light though, so hopefully it's gonna work. But anyway, I got a line of arborvitaes on this side of my house. I think I got 4 of them last year, planted them. We had a huge snowstorm and there was nothing for the deers to eat, and so they ate my arborvitaes. I think I cried a little bit actually. I know that's ridiculous, but my gosh, it's just rude. So I replaced those 2 and I bought, I think, like, I don't know, 5 or 6 more, and then I just planted 4 more of a different type of arb like a couple weeks ago. So I want to make sure to protect those. The only thing is I don't want to use burlap because the whole point of buying an arborvitae is to have that really pretty green winter interest, something nice and green to look to when everything is dead. So I don't want to cover it up with burlap. So I thought, you know, maybe like a bird netting or something like that would work better. So we are gonna try it, see what we got. Okay, this looks like it might work. Not sure. Oh, I mean, 100 feet sounds like a lot. Is that a football field? No, that's 100 yards. 100 feet sounds like it's a lot, but by the time you wrap a big giant arborvitae, I don't know, it might not be a lot. But we'll see. I got this on Amazon for $20 for just this one roll, and it said 7.5 feet by 100 feet. So we'll see how far it goes. But if you can see that, so it looks like it rolls out probably like lengthways that way, or widthways, 7.5. And I think these little squares are, I don't know, like 3/4 of an inch. Can see that. So I might take it outside and wrap up one of them and see how it goes, and I might wrap it a couple times just to get more thickness, and that way the deers, I mean, who knows, they might just like chomp this to bits and eat right through my netting and go for my arborvitae because they are just relentless around here. But we're gonna try it anyway and see what we get, and if I think it's gonna work, I'm gonna buy another roll or two or however many I need. So let's go. I also wanted to show you before we go outside real quick, these I won't be using for the deer netting. These are just stakes, like if you're using it like around a garden or something like that, you can stake it down into the ground. And then these are zip ties. I'll probably use the zip ties. I mean, I have my own zip ties, but these are nice and tiny and small. And so we'll just use these up since we have them. But I'll probably just keep these stakes and see. There might be something I want to use them for. We'll see. But they do come with it if you need them. Alright, so on this side of my house, I actually have 11 arborvitaes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then behind that is 7. And those are all emerald green. And then I have 4 tiny towers way up there that we just planted. So we'll get to those. But I'm going to start with one of these down here, one of these big emerald green. And we'll see how we do and how far one of these 7.5 by 100 feet rolls goes. That wasn't too hard actually, and a little went a long way. What I did find was it was easier to just like unroll it a long time for a nice long roll and then just chop it off. That way I could like pull it apart because got a stick attached. This length right here unfolds into 7.5 feet. So it's kind of easier if you unroll this a little bit and then cut it, then you can unroll this, if that makes sense. So that's probably what I'll do for the rest of them, but I mean, it was pretty simple. I am gonna go in and put some zip ties on. I feel like if we did have like a strong wind come through, this might come apart a little bit and it might even blow off. So I think the zip ties will really help. So I'll go ahead and put some of those on. Here is my end right here. I'm just gonna take it around. I have no clue if I'm doing this right, but like you never learn how to do things the right way unless you try it for the first time, right? I mean, I could just be like, oh, the deer ate my arborvitae, and then like not do anything about it, you know, but we're gonna try to fix it. And I'm really hoping this will work. And I can still see the nice, beautiful green color in the wintertime, which is like why you want arborvitae or any type of evergreen. I mean, let me try to stick my hand in there. I can't even get my hand in there, which is awesome. So, oh, you can't see. Let me, okay, I think I'm in to the arb, not yet. I'm all caught, all caught up. So, okay, so this is a good thing. I can't even get into the arb, but you can see whew, how thick it is. And I mean, see it from the side there, protects it. So I'm really hoping this will do the trick. All right, next up, I'm just gonna roll some more out and then separate it so it's the full 7.5 feet wide, and we'll wrap up another arb. I'm just guessing on the length, really. Nothing fancy here. Alrighty, well that went a lot quicker to just roll it out, cut it, and wrap it. And I was actually able to wrap it around the arb 2 times. So what I did is I just started at the top and I zip tied the top so that it kind of stayed together up there. And then I just took it around 1 and 2, and I think it's gonna be great. So now I just have to do all the other ones.
There's a sunburst gives it, sitting in the window with a price tag that I can't afford. It sings like a hummingbird, it's smooth like that I should ask for my help forevermore. And I wanted it, so you bought it with early mornings and late nights, just so
here on the other side of my house, and I have 3 more arbs. I thought I had 4, but I had 3. So there's one. That one's a really cute shaped one. I love that one. And there's one down here. This one, you can see the deer kind of like ate the side of it off, but the rest of it still looked pretty good, so I kept it. And then there's one down here. This is the one I actually had to replace. And then I had to replace another one on the other side. I had to show you really quick. The sun is going down and it's so pretty. It was just really fun to work out here today. We don't have very many days like this left here in Michigan. The winter is about to hit us full force, so I'm gonna go inside because my fingers are freezing, and I'll show you how much I have left. So I had this extra. Now, given I didn't wrap those 3 that I just showed you over here on the other side of my house, I'm gonna have to get another roll for that. This will not do all 3 of those arbs over there, so I'll just get on Amazon, I'll order another $20 roll, and I'll probably end up using all of that one as well. I'll use this one up too. I know there was an arb over there that I only wrapped like a time and a half, so I'll go put this extra on that one. But by the end of it, all of my arbs should be wrapped up and hopefully deer resistant. We will see how it goes. But anyway, thank you so much for watching.